back at it.
So
We got three of the connectors out.
Yeah, so
going on to the last two.
So the ECU connectors, they have a small, I'll show you with this one. This is usually how they look when they're installed. So you push here to release and slide it off. And as you push down, the connector will release itself and come up. Now, it looks almost like I had to cut some of these small black cable ties. BMW had these going through it, almost like a lock.
Oh, okay.
Could be just to not let it move even during vibration, but
it just started raining on us, guys. Fortunately, we have a garage here, so we're good. We're gonna keep going. We're gonna keep moving forward.
So
rain or shine.
So these are the larger three connectors of the ECU. So those are off.
Those are off. And now we got two more to go.
Got two more to go. Alright. So now that these are kind of out of the way, trying to see how these guys come off. I can see why he maybe said go with one first.
See why he said to go with those first?
Well, with number one, but I don't see how number one comes off.
Alright.
Trying to feel my way around, but I can't. We gotta figure out a way to let go of this guy.